Hi and welcome back to Cooking with Alan. Today I'm going to be using the Coleman Eventemp Stove to cook breakfast for everyone here at Tentworld Ipswich. Let's get started. The Coleman Eventemp is really easy to light because it has the electric starter, and because of the 3 burners we get a nice even heat all the way across the grill. Plus it comes with a free grill. That's always nice. So today we're going to be using this grill to do bacon, eggs and pancakes. Should be a nice, well-rounded, healthy breakfast for the staff here. Okay, let's give it a shot doing a big flip. Told you it'd come back. So this was cooking with the Coleman Eventemp stove. It's one of my favourite stoves that we do here at Tentworld. If you'd like to know more, come into any of our great locations and we'll be happy to help you out. See ya!